Hi everyone, welcome to the Student Talk series of Skillslash. Today, let us hear about the experience of studying data science from a student himself. We have Akarsh Srivastava here, who is currently pursuing the data science course at Skillslash. Akarsh, welcome to the series.
Thank you, Kava. Thank you.
Mainly Akash, how are you keeping up with the pandemic? I hope
Uh,
things are all right at your end.
yeah, things are very good right now. I've just taken the second dose of vaccine.
Mhm.
Yeah, just hope for everything will be fine in 2 months. We'll be back to track. Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay, great. Akash, you are currently pursuing data science. I want
Mhm.
to ask you why data science and how are you feeling about studying it?
Yeah, data science. Why data science? Because as everybody know, data is like there's a new oil right now, and each day data is increasing a bit by bit. The users are increasing. Okay, so every company want to have an insight from the data and get their business done. Okay, I'm into the business field. Okay, so we also play from the data. Okay, so yeah, it gives you a problem solving skills. Okay, and when I want to make a transition into the data science, I got to know about what the thing that I have to learn to have a good data science background. Then I have got to know, okay, it's required statistic, mathematics, and some part of coding, and then data visualization techniques. Okay, so yeah, I'm like good with maths, so I just okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so then when I explore the different career options, yeah, I found this is suitable for me. Okay, and for taking at the look of the what the time is. Okay, so yeah, that's why I've enrolled into data this analytics course. Yeah, looking forward.
Okay. You're currently working as a full-time professional, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm currently working with a IT-based company as a
Uh-huh.
senior sales engineer. We have
Uh-huh.
a software product that we sell. Okay, I don't customize the product. I sell the product. So I have a knowledge of software industries. Okay, but I just want to make a transition into data field due to various reasons. Okay, the thing is, first reason is like you can upskills your work. Okay, and looking at the present scenario and the future, how the AI is working. Okay, deep learning AI. Okay, so it's a high time. Okay, that we can move to a field in which we can have a better growth. Okay, so that's why I've chose this field. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing that I have make in mind when up for the career.
Mhm. Yes. So I wanted to ask you, you're currently working as a professional.
As a senior sales engineer for a
Yes,
company.
yes. And as well, you're pursuing data science.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how are you managing it all? So professionally working and as well studying data science? How
Yeah,
is it?
skills. Yeah, basically, Skillslash provide various way in which you can manage your work as well as your course. Also, it's we have a live session. Okay, like I have enrolled in weekend batch. Okay, sorry, weekdays batch. Okay, we have a live 2 hour session. Okay, 8 to 10. Okay, so you have an ample amount of time to get your work done and can attend the live class. If you miss a class, we have a LMS portal in which we have a recorded lecture as well as, and if in some scenario if you miss some syllabus, if you miss some topics, so you can also enroll for a weekend batch also and get that topic done. Okay, so it's a going very good. Okay, thanks to Skillslash. Okay, because we have like flexibility in this, so we can do this. And as far as working professional, if you are willing to give 2 or 3 hours per day, it's very reasonable time to give to this career. It's not a rocket science. You'll require 10 to 12 hours. Okay, if you give 2 to 3 hours per day, it will be a best time.
Awesome, awesome. So is Skillslash helping you learn data science efficiently? Like, how is its perks are helping you?
I have interaction with the co-founder of the Skillslash directly. Okay, it's a one-to-one session. So he explained me about the course and what are the things that he will offer during the courses. And I like multiple things. Like for example, they will provide a certification of the course as well. They have a live internship program. Okay, for any startup company, if you want to do a project internship, you work on real live data set. Okay, and there's a flexibility. You can reach out to any people. Okay, at any time. Okay, we have a mentor. And the thing I like most into the skill set, like we, for example, we when we are completing our machine learning or any segment, So the mentors were teaching the data scientists. Okay, so yeah, we know okay what is happening in the market, and he just gave us the brief. Okay, what we have to do in the market and how to survive in the market. What are the skills you have to upgrade to be a good data scientist or a machine learning engineer. So this is the thing that I like most. So that's why I've enrolled into this program, and I'm liking so much till
Mhm.
now.
Mhm. Yeah, we are glad to hear that. Huh. So, please share us your experience of working on project at Skillslash.
Yeah, so yeah, the Skillslash provide multiple projects, not one two project. We have 3 to 4 around minimum 3 to 4 capstone projects. So right now I'm working in one of the project. Okay, it's a
Oh.
Taiwan bank project for the credit card default, and yeah, right now things are going very good. We have a session for the project. In first session, we have the overview of the project, what we have to do. Okay, then we have to do give a data set, and we are analyzing the what can be do from what we have learned. Okay, then we have a session. Okay, what you have done, we showcase our file what I have done. Then we have a session. Okay, what could you have done better. Okay, then we have a live mentorship. If you have any query, you can WhatsApp us. And what if in because if you are doing any project, you have a lots of query. Okay, while going through a project, so you can directly ask to the mentor and what I am doing wrong, and you can compare with the mentor data sheet, and you what thing you must have done to get a good accuracy and different scores. Okay, so yeah, projects is doing going very well. Okay, right now we have completed one project. Okay, and we are moving forward to 2 3 multiple projects or for different domain. Okay, it's not about the single domain. We are doing for multiple domains. So yeah, for the first project, it's a very good opportunity to learn so many things.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I want to ask you the 3 qualities that you find very helpful as Skillslash, something that's different from the others and very helpful. What are the 3 qualities?
Before enrolling into Skillslash, I've been in touch with multiple coachings and mentors for the this joining this course of data science. Okay, but why Skillslash? There are multiple reasons. I can give you 10 reasons. Okay, the if you want only 3 reasons, the 3 most important is first is the reachability. I just want reach it because if I have any query, I will reach to anyone at any time, whether it's a mentor, whether it's a teacher, whether it's a founder, whether there is anything, anywhere, anytime you can reach. Reachability is very good. Then the classroom strength is quite good. We have 10 to 15 students in one class, max 20. Okay, and in my batch we have only 9 people. Okay, so we can directly interact with the mentor. Okay, if you have enrolled in a program where we have 100 students, so if you are a shy person or an introvert, so you are not able to if you have any query, you are not able to tell to the people to the mentor, okay, I just have a query or whatever thing. Okay, if you are introvert people, so yeah, it's a very less amount of people, so you can directly interact with the mentor. And if you have any type of query, it's a silly query or whatever, you can directly ask. Okay, and yeah, we can have the solution also. If you go to the third quality, then we have the flexibility about the course. Okay, flexibility means we have a live session. It's not a pre-recorded session, it's a live session. Then it's the LMS portal that we have, in which we have a recorded, and we have multiple things that coming from the Skillslash. Like for example, SQL is a thing that we have to cover. Okay, but their workshop is going in the Skillslash, in which a mentor is coming from a good background, giving a workshop on SQL for 3 days. So we have attended the SQL workshop and get the certification also, and we will cover SQL after we'll complete project. Okay, so yeah, this is the perks, and yeah, I've enjoyed studying in Skillslash, and they make study easy. Okay, that's what I can say.
Mhm. It's really good to hear from our students all these good things. So, thank you so
Yeah.
much for talking all of this.
Uh-huh.
Huh. So you have already spoken a lot about Skillslash, but I just want to ask you about the certification, regarding the certification, because
Mhm.
almost all the other courses that's there in the market, they also provide a certification, course
Mhm.
certification after the end
Mhm.
of the course. So why Skillslash? Why exactly this one? Was there any thoughtful reason behind you selecting this?
Mhm.
Any
There
purpose?
are multiple thought processes before enrolling into this Skillslash program. The first is like basically you can learn anything. You can learn anything from YouTube also. You can learn anything from Coursera, Udemy. But the thing is, what is going on the market? Okay, if you have a certification and if you don't have the skills, right skills, okay, what you have to do? You are you don't have proper skills. Okay, for that you have to do multiple projects and live projects and working with the startup companies for the internship, unpaid or paid, for the certification, or you can say for the project certification. So Skillslash has a vision to provide a project certification, and they will give the certification of the completion of course, but they have also this criteria for choosing a company and doing a certification and doing a live project with the startup. Okay, so I guess this is the best thing that a company gives to the student. Okay, there they can they can have a role on any company to do a project, whether it's a small task. You know how the real data works. Okay, right now we are working in the different scenario, but if you work with the companies, startups on the live project, so you have a different exposure. Okay, so this is the thing that I've like, and they have multiple milestone also in Skillslash. Like they have a milestone pattern. Okay, like for example, in the first 3 months you are ready for this role, and the first 6 months you're ready for this role. So yeah, this is the thing that I have been in. This is a good thing that I've come across with Skillslash. Yeah.
Great. Thank you again. So, what are your plans? What are your future plans after the completion of the course? Please share.
The future plan to get a job as soon as possible. Okay, and on a good profile. Okay, and want to work on different projects on different domain, and want just that is, you can say, the last motive is to get a good job. Okay, and do a good you can say work at that company and upskills my work and move to the higher segment.
Okay, all the best for that. So, Akash, we are at the end of the segment. So, I want to ask you, do you have any suggestions and advice for the data science aspirants?
I'm also a data science aspirant. The suggestion is basically it's a high time. Okay, so you can move to this career. It's a very fast going career. Okay, looking at the AI and how the AI work and how the data has been consumed and data has been generated per day. Okay, as the reachability of data increases in India. Okay, so you got the data and you have the companies want, okay, what we can do from the data. You have to be a right skilled person to handle this huge amount of data. Okay, and I give a good insight from the data to the companies to increase their increase their customer base and whatever thing that you want to do. Okay, it's a high time if anyone want to do a career transition, or if you want to make anything move to data science field, definitely it's a high time you can move forward and learn many things. And Skillslash is a good platform if someone want to make a transition. Yeah, this is the thing that I want to make.
Thank you so much, Akash. I'm sure everyone that's going to be watching this interview of yours, they'll be having proper idea about, transiting career to data science and everything about it. Thank you so much for providing your time.
Thank you, Kavya. Thank you so much.